Vince here. Welcome to another Hungryroot unboxing. I have really been enjoying getting Hungryroot deliveries since January of 2018. It is now March of 2019. I've been with Hungryroot for a full year. I'm really impressed with the products that they are putting out for this new year, 2019. They're offering a lot of variety, which is fantastic, and they're also appealing to a variety of diets. I don't know if you know this, but the company started off with only vegan options, and now they've expanded to include things like chicken sausage and smoked salmon, as well as different pastas that are gluten-free. If you guys have been curious about trying Hungryroot, you can get $25 off of your first 2 orders, a total savings of $50 off if you use Vince in the coupon code at checkout, V-I-N-C-E. Let's see what I got this week. So one thing that I've noticed as Hungryroot rolls out their new 2019 campaign, sometimes you'll see the old logos or the old packaging on certain items, and sometimes you'll see the new packaging. So it might seem a little confusing at first, but it's all good. The box has a packing list so you can make sure that you got everything here. I got ingredients to make 3 different meals. The first is the chicken sausage butternut grains, the creamy peanut yuba skillet, which used to be called something Brussels yuba lo mein or something like that. It's the same thing, it's just they renamed it. And the third thing is the garlic chicken cheesy squash, spaghetti squash, a new offering from Hungryroot. So I also got a lot of other things to try, new products that they've got, so let's check it out. Got an ice pack on top as always, some protective cardboard. Here's some of the Jazzy extras that I got. That's what they're actually called, Jazzy extras. I got some sprouted salted pili nuts. They have MCT oil on them, which is a big deal among keto people. And then I also got this seed sprinkle, which is pumpkin seeds, almonds, sesame seeds, and some spices and salt. If you're doing paleo, low carb, or keto, you know that thing that's always missing from your food. One of the ways that you can actually fight that craving or that urge for that extra something to your food, if it's healthy food, is to add flavorings. And this seed sprinkle is going to be a great way to do that. Another thing that I like to use to satisfy that craving is nutritional yeast. Butternut squash noodles. Haven't had these yet. Love butternut squash. I've got the ingredients for my Brussels dish, which is the Thai peanut sauce, the ginger tahini yuba noodles, and the shaved Brussels sprouts. Here's my spaghetti squash, which is already cut up. It just needs to be cooked and then shredded. And this is the difference between the new packaging and the old packaging. I've got the hot smoked roasted salmon. This is so good. I love smoked salmon, and this makes for a really quick breakfast or protein to add to different salads. 2 packages of chicken sausage. The last one I had was an Italian flavor. This is a spinach garlic, so this is new to me. The cashew cheddar sauce. This is new-ish. There was a dairy-free cheese sauce when I first started Hungryroot. This is a different recipe, it seems. It's made from cashews and onions and carrots and things like that. I'm excited to give this a try because I've heard that it tastes better than the old sauce, but it might actually just be the same. I'm not sure. We'll find out. The almond milk maca matcha, which is actually a great tongue twister if you think about it. Almond milk maca matcha. I gotta remember that one. This is a treat because it has sugar in it. It has coconut sugar full of vitamins and minerals. It has almond milk and maca, which is great for energy. And it has matcha, which is that green tea that everyone is so crazy about. I'm gonna use this as a treat, like when I'm craving something sweet, or maybe put it in my smoothies or something like that. Oh, and one last thing that I got is the oatmeal spice cookie dough. This is a new one that I haven't tried yet. Sounds really delicious. It's actually made from kidney beans, so it's vegan, gluten-free, and you can eat it raw. If you guys want to give Hungryroot a try and add more whole, plant-based, delicious foods that are delivered to your door, to your life, why not give it a try? $25 off your first 2 orders with coupon code VINCE at checkout. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you guys have any questions about Hungryroot, if you use Hungryroot and you have recipes that you'd like to share, I actually created a Facebook group called Hungryroot Fans, and you guys can check that out on Facebook and share your favorite recipes with everyone in the group, and let us know what you think. All right, I gotta go cook some food. Bye.